In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account and use Perplexity for smarter online research. We'll walk through the basics together, from signing up to searching for information, narrowing your results, and checking sources so you can feel confident using the platform right away. To get started, open your browser and go to perplexity AI. Once the homepage loads, look for the option to sign up and create your account. The process is straightforward and only takes a moment. Creating an account is useful because it gives you access to a more personalized experience and makes it easier to continue using the tool over time. As you go through the sign-up process, just follow the on-screen prompts until your account is ready. Once you're signed in, the main thing you'll notice is the central search bar. This is where you can begin asking questions. You can enter almost any type of query here, whether you're researching a topic, looking for a quick explanation, comparing ideas, or trying to find a reliable starting point for deeper learning. The best approach is to type your question clearly and naturally, just as you would ask it out loud. After that, submit your search and wait for the results to load. One of the most helpful features available is the focus button. After entering your question, you can use this option to filter the type of sources Perplexity draws from. Depending on what you need, you can choose web, academic, YouTube, or writing. This is especially useful because different tasks call for different kinds of sources. For example, if you want general information, web may be the best fit. If you're doing more formal research, academic can help you find more scholarly material. If you prefer video-based learning, YouTube is a practical choice. And if you're working on drafting or generating written content, writing can be the most relevant filter. Using focus helps you save time and get results that match your goal more closely. After you receive your answer, take a moment to review the sources that are included. You can click the inline citation links to verify where the information came from. This is an important habit, especially if accuracy matters for your work, studies, or decision making. If you want to go further, you can also enter a follow-up query at the bottom. This lets you continue the conversation, refine your search, or explore a specific point in more detail without starting over. That's the basic workflow. Sign up, ask your question, use focus to filter your sources, and then review citations or continue with a follow-up. With just those simple actions, you can use Perplexity more effectively and get better results from your research.